The first one up is a male bottlenose dolphin. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Zach. And next to Zach, another male bottlenose dolphin. This time, I guess he'll be introducing himself with a spin. This is Sito. And last but definitely not the least, introducing himself with a lovely flip, another male bottlenose dolphin, Loki. Great introduction there. Now our friends are bottlenose dolphins or Tursiops truncatus. Well, they are very friendly animals. Now, I'd like to welcome you all with a friendly wave hello. You can wave one back, guys. I'm sure they like that. But whales and dolphins are not fish, are they? No, they're warm-blooded, air-breathing mammals just like you and me. But what we tell? First, their tail flukes are the main motor that powers them when they are swimming. And that tail moves up and down and not side to side like a fish. I'll show them how it works, guys. Very nice. Well, dolphins breathe air, but how do you think they do it? Well, they use the blowhole on top of their heads. Listen.
And look! Dito! Mamaya, kagabi ka ng patingin natin. Eh, magulang pa din!
Now the blowhole is conveniently located so they don't have to lift their head out of the water to breathe. It has a lid on it that opens and closes so the water gets inside. Now they also use the blowhole to talk using variety of sounds like click, squeak, squawks, and whistles. Listen.
Hindi kaya, ulang
Wow, what a lovely song from the sea. Now, did you know that each dolphin has their own signature whistles, just like their names, and that's different from anyone else's. And right now, let's take a closer look at those fins. Those two fins